Hey, this is Vic, and welcome back to Crash Construction. And today I'm going to tell you about this camera I got recently. It's the GoPro 12 Black, whatever that means. I'm just going to open it and see what's inside. Comes in this box. Is pretty easy to get into, and it comes in this nice stuff. Case like this inside the box with some instructions, and so it looks like how to charge it and attach it to things. More warranty stuff and product placement and how to connect it to your phone. And let's see what's inside. So inside we've got, looks like a charging cable with I think that's USB-C. I'm not sure exactly. And this looks like probably the battery. A mounting something to mount it onto something. Probably combines with I think this is the battery. Yep, this looks like a battery. And then this, some mounting hardware. This sticks onto something. This screws onto something. It looks also slightly magnetic. Nope, not magnetic. And then this one's stick. This is a sticky one. And then a screw on something or other. Looks like it goes with this one. Yeah. So somehow this can connect to stuff like so. I'm not exactly sure. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And so those go right there, and then we got these couple stickers, and it's in white paper, and it says your camera must be updated before you can use it. And yeah, pull these little stickers off. So it's got the front facing. It's got the camera, the front screen, and it's got a paper. And the back screen, and it looks like the power button, and I don't know what some of the stuff is. And then ways to attach it to things in the bottom. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for tuning in.